Let's begin with an overview of what it means to create interdisciplinary common ground. Basically, it involves modifying one or more concepts or theories and their underlying assumptions. Note that it's not the same thing as integration. Instead, finding common ground helps us prepare for integration. It's an essential part of the process. Without it, we have nothing to integrate. There are 3 steps in the IRP that are connected yet discrete: identifying conflicts, creating common ground to reconcile them, and developing a more comprehensive understanding of the phenomenon. Once again, you may need to revisit these steps several times throughout the integration process. As you complete Step 8, remember these 6 core ideas. Interdisciplinary common ground requires us to think integratively. It's created regularly and is necessary for collaborative communication. It plays out differently in contexts of narrow versus wide interdisciplinarity. It's essential to integration, and it requires using intuition, unlike many disciplinary studies. You'll learn about each of these core ideas in the next few videos.